How to log in to TikTok account. So if you want to log in to your TikTok account, then first of all, open up your TikTok application. And after opening, on the bottom right corner, you will have a profile icon. Tap on profile and then tap on add existing account. And now to log in, you have to use your phone number, email or username, or you can also continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram. So I'll be choosing the email one, and now you can tap on email or username, and then here you have to enter your email or your TikTok username, and then on the next step you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply tap on forgot password and then you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then you have to enter the password, and after entering all of this information, you can tap on login. And that's it, you have logged into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.